Hello everyone, the topic of today's class is inversion. Inversion refers to an irregular sentence order and is used to emphasize the event, usually beginning with a negative particle. Not only did she apologize, she also sent me a card. Inversion involves swapping the position of the auxiliary verb and the subject in a sentence. Questions are the most common use of inversion. I am thirsty. Am I thirsty? It's also used to give emphasis. On no account must you sleep at school. And it is used in conditional sentences, used in formal contexts. If I were you, I would visit my grandfather. When neither or nor are used to add a second negative comment to a sentence, we invert the subject and the verb. The structure is neither or nor plus an auxiliary verb and the subject. The scientists weren't happy, nor were they ready for the next experiment. When so or such are used at the beginning of a sentence, we must invert the subject and verb. The structure is so plus an adjective plus the auxiliary verb and the subject. For example, so difficult was the test that she almost fainted. And such plus the verb to be and a subject. Such was the weather that even the most experienced surfers decided to stay at home. When so, neither, and nor are used at the beginning of a short answer to show agreement or disagreement, they are followed by an inversion. Take the following conversation. I'm so happy with the results. So am I. I don't mind waiting for the rest of the group. Neither do I. Or nor do I. So remember that when we are inverting a sentence, we commonly use the verbs do, be, and have. And the common modal verbs that we use are should, could, can, might, may, must, would, and ought to. So let's review what we've just studied. Invert these sentences using the words in brackets. For example, not only is he handsome, but he is also rich. Rewrite the following sentences using inversion. Use the words neither, nor, so, or such. Rewrite these conditional sentences using inversion. For example, had the storm been at night, the rescue team wouldn't have found the lost Boy Scouts. Determine if these sentences are inverted or not. For example, I had hardly set a foot outside when it started to rain. This sentence is not inverted. Now try to create your own inverted sentences using some of the words in the green box below. For example, with the word rarely, you could say, rarely did I study when I was young. And that brings us to the end of today's class. For more information on our one-to-one classes with a native speaking teacher, visit speakeasy1to1.com. Thanks for watching.